The love you have inside you, even the blind could see how it's shining on your face. Ooh, your smile has changed my world new. I've walked 1,000 miles to share blessings in your place.
We journeyed to the community of Kilmarnock in St. Elizabeth to meet Norman Spence, otherwise known as Daylight. He is a blind farmer, a songwriter, musician, and a wonderful soul. I hope his story will inspire you in some way, especially in these difficult times, and that seeing his story will give you hope and the spiritual boost that you may need to fulfill a dream, embark upon a new journey, or even just carry on through your day to day activities. Jamaica is a blessed country with many gifted people, and Norman Spence is one such. This is Shanzen Jamaican Vibes, bringing you stories of inspiration and motivation, giving back to my people while showcasing the positive side of our beautiful island Jamaica. Welcome to my channel and do enjoy today's video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Shanzen Jamaican Vibes. We're in the community of Kilmarnock and we are going to speak with someone who undoubtedly I think by far is one of the most inspirational stories that I will do. This man is a blind farmer. They call him Daylight.
That's
And
correct.
I hope that he will bring some light to your life. You know, whatever you might be going through, I hope his story will inspire you in some form,
That's right.
right? Because his story sure has inspired me. So, good morning. And how are you doing today?
I am doing very well, giving thanks for life. This is yours truly, Norman Spence,
Yes,
aka Daylight.
yes, Mr. Norman Spence.
Yes.
It's really a privilege for me to meet you today.
Yes, thank you so much.
I
Happy
saw
to
your
meet you.
story before and I said I have to meet you in person.
That's right.
Yes, because
right.
this is what I do. I
Okay.
do videos, you know, inspiring Jamaica and the world,
Super.
showcasing the positive side of Jamaica, and you are definitely a positive side of our beautiful island.
Absolutely.
The first question I would like to ask you is, were you born blind?
No, I was able to see very, very well, just like you are, right up to the age of 9, 10. And
Okay.
then all of a sudden I developed eye complication. The left eye started giving problem, and then the right follows. And by I reached the age of 11, 12, I had to relinquish the cited institution, which is the Kilmarnock All-Age School back then. And I went on to do my education at the Salvation Army School for the Blind in Kingston. Bless up to the Salvation Army School.
Okay, excellent. So what age did you leave the Salvation Army School for the blind?
Yes, I graduated at the age of 18.
Okay, so you
Yes.
you graduated with a skill?
Um, I'm a musician,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
a keyboard player.
I
I'm a
see.
singer, and I'm a prolific songwriter. Apart from that, the academics is very much intact.
Oh,
Because at the end of my school term, I had 10 subjects. Back then, it was JSE and GCE O levels.
wow.
Yeah.
Inspiration to the world. Oh my God. This is, I mean, you're giving me goosebumps here, you know.
Ah!
And you make me want to cry, man.
Wow.
You know?
Yeah.
But, Mr. Spence, you said you graduated at the age of 18 and you have skills in, you're a musician,
Yes, yes.
but you're a farmer now.
Yes, I have taken on farming
Yes.
because, to be truthful, this was not my initial plan. I
Okay.
wanted to get into the commercial field, but back then my parents were not able to assisted me as I wanted to.
Mm-hmm.
So I decided to get into farming because I believe that as long as I am alive and well, I have my energy and I should use it to be of tremendous value to myself and to others. So I didn't hang around and waste time. I get into it roughly 6 to 8 months after graduating from school.
Okay. And how long have you been farming?
Oops. Some 38 years, roughly.
Wow, that's a long time, man.
Yes.
That's longer than I've been on Earth. So that's a
That's
long,
how it
long
goes.
time.
Yes, yes.
Amazing.
And that's why I'm able to exhibit the kind of dexterity as a farmer, navigating my way through and carrying out my planting, know when to harvest and everything,
Yes.
preparing the land and do the planting as I've just said. You
Right.
know that it speaks volume for the amount of time I've spent in this particular area.
Yes, it does. It does. Because I just came on and I saw that you were weeding out your
Yes,
cabbage. You
yes,
were debushing your cabbage. And
absolutely.
there's no one here with you. You're doing it by
Yes,
yourself.
I'm 95% of my job. I do it by myself, but of late, a brother have decided to come and be my working partner, so to speak, because I have expanded on my work
Yes.
over the past 12 months. After that first video, I promised the people that I was gonna step up in order to help to provide food for my blessed country
Yes.
and for my wonderful citizens of this land.
And you've been doing a tremendous job at feeding us, man. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes,
Thank
yes.
you. We really appreciate you.
Absolutely.
All right, so you have some cabbage here. What else do you farm?
I have sweet potatoes on the other side. I have carrots. They are just coming out. It's out by that side. And as you see, there are cabbages here, and I'm actually doing some planting around that side as well. I do
Okay.
plant bananas, plantains, and corn. A portion of corn is
Oh,
out
that's
by
your
that side.
beautiful corn.
Yes,
Okay.
and there are times when I get into tomato production as well, but I don't do that regularly because there are times when it's not all that conducive to this community because
Right.
it's pretty cold. So I stick to what flourish properly here.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of farming that you're doing.
Yes,
I
man.
am so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Yes. What type of cabbage do you plant? Because I was trying to get the Tropicana one for you,
Really?
in South, but they didn't have any. They only had the early Jersey, and
Okay.
I heard that early Jersey wasn't what was
In force right now.
right.
That's
So
so true.
so
That's so
I
true.
didn't get it. I
Okay.
actually had a pack at my house. I just bring it along, but
Okay.
but
Thanks so much.
yes, but
Yes.
when I'm coming back, I'm gonna bring the Tropicana for you.
That's right.
I'm
I
gonna
would
bring a lot
definitely
of them
appreciate
for
that.
you. Yeah,
Yes.
man.
Yes.
So you
As
said
as you have asked, what type? These are Tropicanas. Yeah, these are Tropicanas.
okay.
They have quite a fair amount of distance to go, but as time progresses, they'll move swiftly because I've weeded out, continue to weed, and uproot the suckers so they have ample space to continue their development.
Yes.
Right.
I am really, 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 really. I can't even find words to say because you're such an intelligent man.
That's how it goes.
You're intelligent and you're knowledgeable about what you're farming. I can
Definitely,
see.
definitely.
I am very impressed, and I
Yes,
know the viewers will be also.
I can imagine.
I want to ask you a few personal questions. I hope I'm not being too personal, but
No problem, man. No
um,
problem.
do you have any kids?
No,
You
I'm
did.
not yet a biological father, but I have helped to father my sister's kids.
Oh,
So
okay.
I have played a role in that area. But biologically,
Yeah.
I have not becoming a father.
Okay, because I was gonna say if you were a father, I can just imagine that you'll be an excellent father, but you're fathered your sister kid, so you're
Yes,
still a
yes, yes,
father.
yes, yes. I
You
played
are
a
a
huge.
father.
I tell you what, I'm the man who gave three of my sister's children their names.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Awesome.
Yeah. So I've played a role as a father along the way.
So who gave you the name Daylight?
Ah, Daylight is a name that I have appreciated very much while I was going to school. What happened in that very initial 3 months or so when I started my schooling at the Salvation Army, I was coming from the dormitory up to the classroom, and a young man came. His name is Horace Stevenson. Big up yourself, Horace, wherever you are.
Yeah.
And he came. He had fair amount of vision, And he came and was looking at me, looking in my face. And I said, my brother, I'm looking at my daylight, so.
Oh,
And he grabbed my hand and said, Norman, what is your daylight? I
yes,
said, it's my face.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
So from that day until this moment, they start calling me Daylight. I accepted it
Okay.
and I work with it. So
Yes,
I
man.
decided to use that name even to the point whenever I get the chance to do my recordings, because as I've told you earlier,
Yes.
I have a lot of well written songs
And
to unleash
and you're gonna sing one of
on the
them for us
world.
today, you know.
Okay,
I want you
not
to
a
sing one of
problem.
them for us.
All right.
Which one you gonna sing for us?
Let me see now. I'm good. This one is a Sing J type.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna, because I think it's quite applicable to the time now,
Yes.
because we need to eat a lot of vegetables and fruits
Mm-hmm.
in order to keep our immune system up,
Mm-hmm.
knowing that this coronavirus is having such a devastating effect upon the nation.
Yes.
All right, so it goes like this.
Mm-hmm.
In the morning when you rise, jump around and exercise. Eat fruits and vegetables, I know they will make you so healthy and wise. Baba dung dung. Morning when you rise, jump around and exercise. Eat fruits and vegetables, I know they will make you so healthy and wise. Come! You want to fit, you want to fit, you want to fit. Get up out your coach and the gym you visit. Cause if you get obese every minute you sick, your body overweight and you get clumsy. You can't move around me say easy like me. Brain lazy and you lack energy. Balance your diet and eat wisely. Watch out! Dash with the red meat, eat more vegetables. One slice of pine, put your mind on a level. Listen to me advice, adults and youths. Eat more vegetables and whole heap of fruits. Morning when you rise, jump around and
Bop,
exercise.
bop, bop,
Eat
bop.
fruits and vegetables, I know they will make you so healthy and wise. Baba dung dung. Morning when you rise, jump around and exercise. Eat fruit and vegetables, I know they will make you so healthy and wise. No for uno yam the fast food day after day. When your body overfat, you start to worry and pray. Plan to check the doctor, the one Mr. Gray. Fi divert in a minute of sickness highway. No listen and learn full time. You realize change up your eating habit, put in more exercise. Drink up the fruit juices, nourish your body. Cause when you're fit and healthy, Rasta know say you're happy. Stop use your nose like factory smoke chimney. A country can progress once people unhealthy. Boom.
Yes, man. That one is very, very, very bad. That one
Yeah.
the bad, bad, bad. So you. How about putting out these music of yours?
I have contacted a very reputable musician,
Mm-hmm.
and he told me the procedure, so I'm actually gonna do that, but have not jumped at it instantly yet.
Okay.
But if there's someone out there who like my song and have a desire to work with me, hey, you can certainly do that, man.
Of
I'm
course.
prepared for that, because this is just one of the many pieces that I have. I have written a one pertaining to the children, the way people are abusing them and so on. So I have a lot of material,
And
and I know that the world will embrace them.
this song that you just did, it's well written. I mean, the lyrics are up to par.
Yeah,
Well,
thank
well
you,
written,
thank
and you
you.
sing so much. You sing on key, man. I'm listening to you. You sing,
Yeah,
yeah, man. I
yeah.
know a little bit about the music too, you know.
Absolutely.
Yes, I've been
Yes.
around entertainment a lot. I've been
Okay.
around a lot of entertainers.
Right.
So, give us another tune, Mr. Norman Spence. Okay, Daylight.
Okay. I'm gonna give you this one. It's one of my lovers rock.
Okay.
Alright. The love you have inside you, even the blind could see how it's shining on your face. Ooh. Your smile has changed my world new. I've walked 1,000 miles to share blessings in your place. Angels guide you safely through the night. For you birds sing at the break of light. A song with sweet melodies satisfied my soul. You share with me the love that flows from the heart. There's so much joy being around you. I'm glad that I found you. Your love and tenderness bring so much happiness. It's more than I have confessed. There's so much joy being around you. I'm glad that I found you. Your love and tenderness bring so much happiness. It's more than I have confessed.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God. Producers, I'm asking you to jump on this song, man. Jump on this song and the one he sang before. I love both of them.
Yes.
Beautiful lyrics.
Just a chorus and the punchline.
Beautiful lyrics, man.
Yes.
I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
Alright, so we're gonna go over to the other crops.
Farm?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man, and show them the
What
other.
is what?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes.
Okay. I hate to step on my plant.
Yeah. Oh, so you manually go through this and debush it yourself,
Yes,
man.
and this is just a drop in the bucket. As I've said, you know.
Yes.
Yes.
So you actually plant the seeds yourself?
Yeah, man. I prepare the nursery. That's the proper term.
Yes,
You
yes.
prepare the nursery and sow the seeds.
Oh.
Yes. So whenever they are ready for planting, I uproot and take it to the other area that I have prepared.
Oh,
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah, man.
What an inspiration to Jamaica and the world, man. Oh my God. I'm telling you, I'm here videoing you and my skin is full of goosebumps.
Yes.
This is awesome. Look how much people have sight. They have hearing, they have all the senses full
Yeah,
tap,
fully
and
intact.
they're not doing anything.
My
You know?
gosh. Really
And you can't
depressing,
see.
you know? Yeah.
And you look at your farm. So how long before these cabbages are ready?
These that are gonna be remaining in the nursery
Yeah.
within the next 8 weeks or so, they'll be properly mature.
Okay. So this is just the nursery,
Yeah, man, this
but
is just the
but the
nursery.
big garden is up there.
Around this side we're gonna go.
Okay.
Then you will I want to retrieve my stick, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you'll see what we are doing around that side.
Yes. It's to the left. Right. Yes.
Normally when I'm traveling in the bush, you know,
Yeah, you have your stick to navigate your way through.
I use a wooden stick, but like I'm moving on the street,
Yes.
I would use my cane.
All
Because
right.
The wooden stick
Yes.
is able to give me a little bit of balance if I lost my balance, you know. Because my
Okay.
area is a bit difficult to travel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very difficult terrain. Alright, we're going up by the cabbage, guys. We're gonna see his cabbage farm. This is just his cabbage nursery. And when we came, he was cleaning out it. He was, debushing it or weeding it out. Alright, so we're going up by the cabbage farm. Alright, so we go into the cabbage farm now with Mr. Norman.
And sweet potato.
And sweet potato, right? Oh my God, it's so amazing to see him navigating his way through the bushes. And this is a daily trad for you, right?
Man,
So it's every day you go to the farm?
every day. These are our corns that I've planted.
Oh, this is his
They are
corn,
planting
guys.
Yeah.
Beautiful, lovely corn. Oh. It looks like because of the oxygen, because you live up in the mountain, it's like the corns them grow bigger than normal. How them look so big? Oh, they look big, man.
Well, they got fertilized, and it's the brand called sweet corn.
Oh, it's sweet corn this.
Yes.
Oh, this is all his corn. So you plant every seed by yourself? Wow. Whew. No man. I'm watching where you're stepping and stepping right behind you. Okay. Wow.
It's a bit slippery.
Yes.
So exercise caution.
I see how you do it, man. I'm watching you. This is something amazing.
Yes, man. This is a part of my obligation on a daily basis.
Yes. I feel like I'm going through the forest.
Cool environment, eh?
Yeah, man, it's cool in here.
Yeah.
Under the shades of these trees.
Right.
A lot of slippery rocks though.
Yes. Very careful.
Yeah. What I tell you, God is good. No, God is not good. God is great.
Great.
He's great, man. Amazing.
Can't diminish his power.
No,
He's great.
he's great. Look at the path the man takes every day to get to his farm, and he's blind.
Yeah.
Man. Look around us, guys. We're not seeing any house or anything. We're in the hills. So, Mr. Norman, do you smoke or drink?
No,
You
I
don't?
don't smoke. I don't drink.
Yeah.
And it's a possibility. That's why I'm able to execute so much work
Yeah.
on a daily basis, because my body is up there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is whoa, I haven't seen a mint tree this big.
Okay.
And I have a big one at my house.
Okay.
But this is by far bigger.
Right.
It's almost the same height as myself.
Okay.
Wow, what a big peppermint tree.
Well, take your time and come over.
You see, Mr. Norman has to be telling me to take my time and come over.
Earlier on in my life as a farmer, blind farmer, I used to walk up to 1.5 miles to get to my farm.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so this is just a little distance to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1.5 miles.
Yeah,
Wow.
okay.
Look at that, people. We're in the midst of rocks and stones. We're on a hill. There's no house, no cars, nobody around us. And this is the route that he takes every day to get to his farm.
This area, you can see there are plantains and bananas. These are all a part of my production.
Okay.
A few of the plantains have already shoot,
Yeah.
and bananas are here, there, and everywhere. There's a
Yeah,
nice
man, I
bunch
see.
here. Yeah.
Yes, I see banana everywhere. But how you can tell that the banana is right here and you're not able to see?
I have observed it,
Okay.
so I know exactly where they are.
Oh my word. Oh.
Here we are, my people. This is a portion of the land that I have prepared, on which I'm going to plant the cabbage sucker. And as we proceed, you're going to see some that I have already planted from Friday and Thursday, I think it was. So they have not yet catch, but they are there. So you will see it.
Okay. Yes. Oh, I can see it from the distance.
Alright.
So you burn it yourself?
Yes.
Oh wow.
My brethren was there as well. He assisted, but you know,
Oh,
a
okay.
whole lot of that.
Oh my. I think this is the type of inspiration that we all need to take us through this pandemic, man.
That is so true.
Mm-hmm.
Well, alright. On your extreme right
Yes.
is a area where I have planted a portion of the cabbage suckers already.
Yes, I
Right
can
on that
see that.
extreme right there.
But you had some what? Cocoa over there?
Yeah, man, I plant cocoa, dasheen, everything. But
Okay.
as I've said earlier, my priority in terms of working
Yes.
is cabbage production.
Okay.
Yeah. But I have invested some money into the carrot production as well. But it
Okay.
is not on this end, so I hope you are prepared to walk.
If I'm not able to go to the carrot
Yeah.
today, I will have to come back for the carrot
Another day.
because this is already quite a chat for me.
Yes. Well,
You planted up quite a bit of
over the
cabbage.
side is another portion that I have planted.
Yes, yes.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave the bag here.
Oh,
So when
okay.
I come, I'll demonstrate to the people how I do the planting. because
Yes,
that-
I want them
that's
to
what-
see.
That's what's happening right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are gonna be going up to the area where I plant the potato.
Yeah.
This is the beginning of it. These were recently planted,
Oh,
and
okay.
on the hill I have stuck a few cabbage suckers as well.
I can see cabbage
Right.
and corn right here,
Yes, there are corn in it as well.
and sweet potato here.
Yes,
This is the sweet potato.
that's right.
That's cabbage, and this is corn.
Is a corn tree.
Yes.
Right, and this is a potato here. This cabbage seems as if it has suffered. It's not good.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
but the potato has catch off.
Yes.
Right, so let us go up further where they are more advanced than these.
The cabbage is coming along.
Yeah.
Sweet potato right next to the cabbage.
Right. On this side now I intend to have it sprayed and clean up and gonna plant out a lot of bananas and plantains.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's why I asked my brethren to feed it with his calf in order to get rid of some of the
Oh, so that's why you have the cow in there to
Right.
help clean it down.
Right.
Okay.
So this is the beginning of the
Sweet potato.
advanced potato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful sweet potato.
These are going to be harvested on about the end part of April.
Okay.
Yeah. According to the time when it was
Planted.
yeah.
Which is about how long ago?
The first month of December. they
Okay.
were planted. So up to the end of April.
First week of December?
Yeah.
Oh.
Up to the end of April we can do some harvesting.
Yeah.
And continuous.
I can see a lot of potato, man.
Yeah, man.
You
Continuous.
spread it out.
Yeah.
Beautiful potato.
And then we're gonna go a little more, then we see some more.
But no tractor is able to come up here.
Absolutely not.
So you have
So
to
I
use your
have to
hand.
use the hand part.
Oh,
To
wow.
park up my land after brushing it up and clean it up. I
Yeah.
use the hand part, then I use the hoe
Yes.
to create the potato hills.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, look at these potato leaves. Man, it's lovely.
Right, this is another, it's like the continuation of the potato ground.
Yes.
Yeah. These are looking quite fluffy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I don't think I've seen potato leaves this big.
Really? It's a brand called Tank Hole.
Okay.
This is the name of this brand of sweet potato. The leaves are pretty brown.
It's very broad, man. I never seen one like I never seen potatoes with these leaves.
Okay.
Such broad leaves. Amazing. So these ones are yellow or orange?
Potato? No,
Yeah.
yellow belly.
Yellow belly.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, and you have to use the fork and dig each hole.
Yes, yes, you have to use it. No, you use the fork and fork up the land.
Yeah,
Throw it up,
fork up the land, I
throw
mean.
it up, and then I use the hoe and create the hills or mounds as some people call it, you know.
Yes.
And in those hills now I would insert two slips,
Okay.
two potato slips,
Yes.
and allow them to and I tell you what, these potatoes are doing well, and I feel a potato here, man.
You
But
feel a potato?
yeah, but it's not ready to dig out yet. You know, it needs some
Okay.
more swelling up.
Yes, yes. These potatoes are lovely.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So we're chatting further on.
I was just going out by the point.
Okay.
It's expired out at that end.
Okay.
The bottom side there are sweet potatoes as well, but these were planted a little bit later than these.
Yes, I can see.
Right.
Can see that these are the more mature potato plants.
Precisely.
Watch that edge there. No, you're right on the edge. Yeah. I know you know your way through, but I'm seeing you.
Because I've been so busy taking care of the other aspect of my job,
Yeah.
the potato plant or slip
Yeah.
has taken over the track.
Okay.
Yeah, it has taken over the track. But if I was able to come before now,
Yeah.
I would have removed them so that I would have a clear path to
Yes.
travel.
But it's just one of those things.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But you don't want to step on the vines of the
No,
potato.
I don't want that. But it won't do anything too much right now because these potatoes are very much
Mature.
doing their thing, man.
Okay.
I come up to the end part of April. There are blessings in the soil for me.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
And you can feed us some more.
yeah.
So about how much you'd say about how much acres of potato are
Potato?
yeah.
It does not reach acre. It's probably about 3.5, 4 square. Roughly.
3.5 or 4 square.
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah, that's about what I'm seeing for true, man. But that's a nice garden, man.
Yeah, man.
Proud, I'm so proud of you.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
These are really looking good, man.
Yeah, they're looking good.
Yeah.
It's so funny to hear you say you're looking good when you actually can't see. But I understand what you mean.
Yeah, that's my way of expressing it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But they're beautiful.
Yeah, man. Really, really.
I'm seeing them and they're looking lovely.
Yes.
Yeah, man, you have blessed hands.
Oh, it appears that way.
Yeah. So we're gonna. Oh, some of the potatoes over there too.
Yeah, man.
I can see some carrots down here too.
Yes, man, I had a little carrots in a park, and after when I mowed the hills and plant them, I proceeded to sow it.
Yes.
And some of them are working their way through down that side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What type of carrot did you plant?
These are one brand called Golden Prince.
Okay.
In some quarters, it's referred to as Taki.
Oh,
Yeah.
tacky.
Taki, yeah.
Does it have anything to do with the maroon tacky?
Very good question. I really don't know.
You don't know.
I have heard of a brand that these potatoes are going to do well, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I wish you could dig up one and find a nice one to show our viewers.
I would have to look up at the other side.
Okay, so these were planted like 3 weeks or 4 weeks after these, so I'm
Okay.
gonna check on those, going back.
Alright.
And it takes time, no matter how they look fat.
Yeah, man. Alright, so we'll go back out
Yeah,
now.
man, we're gonna go back now.
Alright.
Back a bit, you see,
Yeah.
we were experiencing a bit of dry spell. So they were not able to develop as what we wanted. So most of these that I'm feeling, they're pretty small.
Oh yeah, yes. So I should tell the viewers that this type of farming, the farming in the hills, they only depend on rainfall.
Right.
So there's no irrigation, no watering system.
No.
It's just rainfall.
Just straight rainfall
Yeah.
to make the plants develop. So whenever we really have any dry, we just got to wait until we start get rain in order to get the type of development that we would like to have.
Yes.
I'm gonna try and find a potato here so that my wonderful viewers can see.
Yes.
But as I've said earlier on, they are not absolutely fit, but just to let them see what is happening in the hills. This is one.
Yes, man.
Yeah, this is one, but it needs a little more time to properly develop.
And it's a nice size, you know.
Yeah, this is not bad, but normally when they properly develop, it's probably 2 times this.
Yes.
Yeah, so you see it needs a little more time.
Yeah.
But so far, blessing is there.
Yeah, man. And I believe a lot more blessing is there.
Yes.
And more is to come.
Definitely.
Many more blessings to come.
Definitely, man.
Yes.
Definitely.
Many more blessings to come.
I believe in working.
Yeah.
Yes, from I was a very young lad because I'm a big man. Not an old man, but a big man.
Yes.
And
Yes.
I told myself that I should never waste time. Never waste time. Put my energy, my time, my energy into something productive.
Yes.
So that means at the end of the day, I'll be able to take care of my mom. Unfortunately, she went earlier on in the year.
Yeah.
It was a huge loss for me.
My sympathy.
Yeah, it was a
My
huge,
sympathy to you,
it
sir.
was a huge loss for me. Those are small, so I'm
Yeah.
not going to take it. But this is just an example of what is going to come.
Yeah, man.
So as long as they get the sufficient time, they will develop much further than these. Yes.
All right, so we're going back down the hills. Boy, this hills just give you a feeling that you want to shout out and just cry to God, and like, you know, any prayer you have, you can pray up here and he will hear you.
Yeah.
It's like I feel so close to the skies, man.
You're absolutely close to nature.
Yes, man.
Here.
I want to say,
Believe me, man, when I'm working, I didn't mention this. Normally when I get on my farm,
yes,
it would be like 8:30 or even as late as 10.
yeah.
And believe you me, my lady, I work right through until 4:30, non-stop.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, non-stop.
Okay.
So it's a possibility that it's a result of the environment that I'm working in.
Yes.
Clean, fresh air.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lot of oxygen.
Yes, man, absolutely.
My God. Oh, praises to the Most High God for, you know, allowing me to see this beautiful day, so I could come up here and meet Mr. Norman Spence, blind farmer. A blind farmer. And you saw earlier how he navigated his way. You see how he's navigating his way through the hills effortlessly.
Yes.
And look at his farm.
This is one that is coming.
Yes.
It was recently planted. So it's honestly coming.
Right.
I'm going to demonstrate to you, my viewers, how I do the job of planting the cabbage sucker.
Right.
So I'm going to go over that side.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. So how often do you get rain up here in the hills?
Give thanks. The latter part of March,
Yeah.
we started getting some rainfalls, and since the April month stepped in, we
Yeah.
have enjoyed 3 days of rainfall.
Oh, okay.
Not excessively hard, but quite sufficient for us to give thanks as a farmer.
It seems like it,
as a consumer of water generally.
yeah.
Yeah.
But it seems like you got a little rain last night, did you?
Yeah, man. In the afternoon.
Oh, okay.
Got a little. Yes.
So we're going to watch him plant some cabbage. He's going to demonstrate how he plants the cabbage.
Okay, my people.
Yes.
In this bag, I have pulled some of the cabbage sucker, and I'm going to demonstrate to my viewers how I do this job as a farmer. I'm going to plant some of them so that you can see.
Yes.
All right. All right, that is one. This is two.
Yes.
And this is number three.
You know that you planted them in perfect rows?
Certainly.
Oh my word.
And you're gonna have number four now. And this is number five. I have been doing this thing for over 30 years, as I've said. I started out with red peas. I don't know if I had mentioned that, but I'm gonna tell you, I started out with red peas.
Yes.
And then I decided to take on vegetables in a large scale, because there are times when the red peas didn't work out as how I wanted it.
Yes.
So I take on vegetables, and it has done me good so far.
Yeah, man, and you know, vegetable. Everybody buys vegetable. Vegetable is something
man.
that's
the thing that our body needs.
Yes.
On a daily basis to keep the immune system up.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know if you know this, but cabbage, according to scientific studies,
Yeah.
is the third best food for human consumption.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yes.
So thank you for telling me.
Yes, it's the third best for human consumption. So whenever you get a peg of cabbage or a whole cabbage, hey, eat it and be absolutely grateful, because you're eating something good.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's the third best food for human consumption.
Cabbage.
I learned something today.
Yeah. Do you know the number one?
No.
You don't know it. Well, I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to share it with my wonderful viewers.
Yes.
The number one food for human consumption is ripe bananas.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ripe bananas. So
I was going to say broccoli for some reason.
no, ripe bananas, because that's a fruit that provides you with virtually all the nutrients.
Yes.
All the nutrients, actually. It's a wonderful food.
Oh, thank you for telling me.
Yes.
And I'm sure a lot of my viewers probably didn't know it. So
Alright.
thanks for sharing with us.
That is that is the wonderful thing about when we can reason together.
Yes,
We
man.
certainly educate each other.
Yes.
Yes.
You sound like you would be a good professor, you know, or a teacher, you know.
You're not the only person who expressed that sentiments, you know.
Yeah, man. You're quite articulate.
Thank
Very
you so much.
intelligent, man.
Thank you so much.
Yes. And you say you had gotten 10
Yes.
10 subjects.
10 subjects in GCE
Yeah.
levels, and JSE. That was the name given to the local examination in those days, you know.
Oh wow.
But you know, GCE is that big one that is corrected in England.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So I think they call that, I don't know if that's the one they call City and Guilds now,
I am not certain, to be true.
because they change up the name so
they have
often.
changed. I tell you what, even the subjects, for instance.
Yeah.
Back then, we used to have civics as a subject by itself,
Yes.
and now they have
Incorporate civics in social studies.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, they do that.
Yeah, so
They have.
it's a big thing. I think geography was a separate subject as well.
Yeah,
Not think, I know that. And now they have put it in the social studies area.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Wow, you'd be a great professor, man, or a great teacher. I know.
Up to the time, my dear, I should have stepped in that area.
Yeah, man. So you
Yeah.
you 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 mentioned that you did sing, you did music.
Yes, man, I did music at school.
Yes.
Yeah, I am able to play the keyboard.
So do you have any musical instrument?
No, to be truthful, I had a guitar, but it was demolished a number of years ago, and I didn't acquire none since. And all these songs that I have written,
Yes.
let me tell you, they just came to me naturally.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I didn't use an instrument
Mhm.
in the composition of the melody or anything. It
Yes.
just came to me naturally,
Wow.
and I exhibit that type of creativity
Yes.
as I went on in terms of composing the song.
Oh, it would be
Yeah,
nice if you could get a guitar or a
yeah, it would be
keyboard, man. You know, when you're not in the garden,
right.
you
And
know.
I could deal with some works
Yes,
on that
man.
level. Yeah,
Uh-huh. You can build your tunes while you're
yeah,
writing your lyrics, you're playing the music along,
true.
you know?
But what I do, you see, and I've seen it work tremendously good for me.
Hmm.
I write the song along with the melody, and then I listen to the rhythms playing on the radio.
Okay.
Or if there's a sound man playing nearby, I listen to the rhythm, and then I select a rhythm that it would be flowing well.
On.
Yeah,
Okay.
you see, because these are a little bit small. I plant two, so that means if one die,
Yes.
the other one would survive.
Yes. Wow. I know my viewers watching is very amazed and very amazed at how you plant them in such
Yeah,
perfect looking rows.
I tell you.
Yes, man.
All right.
So you
You
finish.
won't be able to stay until all is finished. It will take up too much time, don't it?
But I would want to come back and see your carrot.
A carrot.
So I want to
okay.
do a part 2 of this video
Really?
where we can show them the carrot
Right,
and so
because they
on.
are just coming up right now.
Yes,
I had a little discussion with my brethren,
yes,
and he said he saw them and they are coming up beautifully. But it would be so lovely when that interview is being done.
yes,
They are at an advanced stage, where everybody can see them quite vividly.
yes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep in contact so we can come back then.
Definitely.
Or maybe I'll come back before then, depends, you know?
Right.
Right, but you know, the government has locked down the country. We just get until
Yeah,
midday.
you know,
So we have to get back on the road.
Yeah, you have to just work with the order
Yes.
because it's for our safety, We
Mm-hmm.
know enough people kind of lick out and thing, but when you check it out,
Yeah.
it's for our safety, man. Because this thing is really doing a lot of harm to the citizens all over the world.
Yes.
At the end of the day, my darling, believe me when I tell you this,
Yeah.
the greatest immunizer
Yes.
is your food.
It's true.
You believe me when I tell you that.
Ah.
That's why people must eat vegetables and their fruits.
Yeah. Something for you. You know, it's not much.
Okay.
It's just a little donation to help you along.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
And it's down there, so we're gonna go back down there and make it.
Alright. I was saying that one of the things that many folks are amazed when I'm talking to them is that I'm able to retain phone numbers in my head.
Oh.
The entire whoever I wish to communicate with. That I just think about the person and the number just appears.
Wow. So you have a gift, an amazing gift, man.
Yes. So good.
Alright. So we're going back out to the house.
Right.
We're heading back out, and this is his corn from this angle. Oh. Alright. What an exercise, man. Good exercise. Nice corn. Nice corn farm. And he said these are sweet corns. Okay. Mr. Spence, so Aisha and Zen want to make this little donation towards your farm. You know, I hope it can assist you in some way. You know?
That's right.
Right, so here you go. Yeah man, you just put it up safe. Put it away.
That's right.
And I have some, you're welcome. And I have some thyme here from my thyme farm. So I don't know if you want to replant it.
Yeah,
because it has the root where you can replant it.
I'll definitely do a little bit of planting, man.
Yes.
I believe it or not, I've never planted thyme nor scallion. So I'm gonna try it out.
And when I'm coming back, I'm gonna bring scallion.
That's
but
right.
There's also
Thank
some.
You so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Some cabbage seed is in there as well.
That's right.
So you know you can
go
go towards your next cabbage crop. Yeah.
Definitely. Will definitely boost my thing.
Yes. Thank you so much for doing this interview.
Right.
And you're a blessing to me and to Jamaica.
Right.
I am very inspired, and I want to tell you that I believe that you're going to have a bigger farm than the one you have before.
I really think
and
so.
It's going to flourish.
That's right.
And this video is going to go far and wide.
Right.
And many persons over the world. I hope many persons who see it, you know, will be touched and moved by your story.
Absolutely.
And do something themselves, you know.
That's right.
If they want to get in farming.
Or whatever, once it's something positive.
Exactly.
That one can make himself a living and live an independent life.
So you have a contact information?
Yes, whoever wish to contact Norman Spence, the blind farmer, aka Daylight.
Yeah.
My phone number is 479 4032. That's 479 4032.
Yes.
And of course, anybody who are inspired and wish to contribute whatever financially to boost my effort as a farmer,
yes,
they can certainly do that. I'm going to share with you my account number.
Yeah.
It's 674
yes,
03 0533. Let me repeat. 674 03 0533. And of course it's NCB, Black River.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
National Commercial Bank, Black
right.
River.
That's right.
All right. Thank you so much. You know, have a wonderful day. You can go back to your farming now.
That's right.
And I'll definitely come back and check on you.
Definitely.
All right. I want to see the carrots.
Yes. Thank you so much for coming.
Yes.
And I want to wish for you a very safe journey back to your place.
Thank you so much. And
Okay.
so, guys, I want to tell you from here in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, walk good and make good duppy walk with you.